have a look at what's in the other side of the case. This is where I tend to keep my electronics and stuff which can be more easily damaged, so it's kind of set up. I always carry bottled water. That you can see I have some bottled water here. You always need water on a shoot, and you want to make sure you've got some. I also carry in the outer part of my bag a power cord, a power bar, so I can plug in several devices into the wall. This is my main electronics. I kind of protect these, my curling irons, my flat irons. And this comes with the Burton. It's for a notebook. It's a notebook case. And it has zips of its own, which are great. And this kind of flips on, like you can carry it anywhere if you want to use it as a set bag for your makeup. You've got external compartments here, and we'll get to the electronics in a second. Isn't that great? It just comes as part of this Burton bag. This is a Barbasol. This is a big bottle of Barbasol. Basically, it's called Forfex, Clean FX. It's a disinfectant spray for use with hair products. Then I also have a, what is this? Hairwear, a dryer bonnet. It's a portable dryer bonnet. As you can see by the funny little graphic right here, see if I can get in tight for that. You can see, looking at that funny little graphic there, that you're supposed to put this on over the head, and then when you do that, there's this little hose that comes off. So you set the hair, you put some spray on it, you put your blow dryer on warm or cool, whatever color, usually hot, and you put it right on the tip of this little hose that comes out of this bonnet, and you spray hot air, and it completely covers the hair, and that's called a speed set. So you can do a roller set in 5 minutes using that kind of technique. This is a spray bottle. You always have to have a spray bottle that I keep a little water in. And then I have some more hair products that were maybe too large to fit in the other compartment. This is a conditioning fixative spray. Very nice. A nice fixative spray with conditioner in it. And a little Paul Mitchell again. This is called Worked Up, a working spray. So this I like to keep as well. And the last element in here is this little brown old shaving bag. And inside this, I guess I have odds and ends. These are for doing pin curls. If you've ever seen pin curls from the 1940s and all that sort of thing. These are how you do them. You've got these little tiny alligator clips, and you need a lot of them to do pin curls because every pin curl needs to be pinned. So I've got a whole bag of clips for pin curls and some bobby pins as well in here. So these are for doing vintage looks. I always keep a full set of stuff for pin curls. In the next video, I'll have a look at my electronics. Cheers.